Becoming a millionaire is a goal many dream of, but few truly understand what it takes to get there. It's not just about luck or winning the lottery, it's about mindset, habits, and smart financial decisions. Over time, the journey to millionaire status starts with clear goal and a plan that focus on growing your income while managing your expenses wisely. First, the foundation is building multiple streams of income. Relying on just a paycheck from a job often limits your financial growth. Successful millionaires invest in themselves by developing skills that increase their earning potential, whether through side businesses, investment, or passive income streams like real estate or dividing stocks. The key is to diversify your income sources so you're not dependent on just one. Next, managing your money wisely is critical. Millionaires are known for budgeting and living below their means, even when their income grows. Avoiding lifestyle information, spending more just because you earn more, allows you to save and invest aggressively. Saving consistently, even if it's a small amount at first, build the habit of discipline that compounds over time. Investing is where the magic happens. Simply saving money is not enough because inflation encroaches your purchasing power. Millionaires put their money to work by investing in assets that appreciate over time, like stock, bonds, real estate, or even their own business. The powerful compound interest means the earlier you start, the more your money grows exponentially. Educating yourself in investing strategies is one of the best moves you can make. Another important factor is mindset. Millionaires think differently about money. They see challenges as opportunities and failure as lessons. They are willing to take calculated risk and step out of their comfort zone. Developing a growth mindset and staying persistent and surrounding yourself with like-minded people can push you closer to your goals. Finally, patience is key. Becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. It's a result of consistent action, smart decision, and time. Staying regular, reviewing your financial plan, and adapting as needed will keep you on track even when setbacks occur. If you want to be a millionaire, start by setting clear goals, building multiple income streams, controlling your spending, investing wisely, and cultivating the right mindset. It's about journey, discipline, and learning, but the dedication anyone can achieve financial freedom. Follow the channel for more tips on wealth building and smart money management to help you reach your millionaire dream.